Hey everybody, Cindy Lynn here, and welcome to my bathroom. Isn't it so cute with the little owls? So I am so excited. This is my first sign. I went and bought these stencils. So I've got these at Hobby Lobby, if anybody wants to know. And then this is my little paint kit that I carry on. So I got all my paint colors in here. And so I can show you the white that I use, but here's my sign that I made. So cute. I hope it's not backwards in the video, but it probably is. Anyway, it says "To the Woods." So I wanted to add, I got kind of a little woodsy feel going on here. So we're gonna add this here. And I got my command strips here, the Velcro ones, one on each end. That was my little test paint area, as you can see. And then I have my level, so make sure that it's good and level when I stick it there. Let me show you the paint. Hang on one second. Okay, so this is an acrylic paint, apple barrel. So I'm pretty sure you can just get this at Walmart or any craft store. I also did put a clear coat on this after it was finished, especially since it's in the bathroom. There's going to be moisture. So it's naughty alder. There's a stain on there. What color is the stain, Tony? Do you know what the name of the stain?
Is that briar smoke or whatever it is?
Briar smoke. I think that's the name of it. So briar smoke and then a clear coat. And we are ready to get this hung up. So I'm so excited. It's been kind of a week-long process getting everything painted. So this is my first stencil job. So they're not perfect, but they're good enough. So this tee turned out just a little fat because it leaked underneath. Even though I had it taped down, it still did leak. But I think it looks pretty cute. Good enough. And if you buy these off Etsy, they're anywhere from $35 on up. So I already had the wood. All I had to do was buy the stencils. I bought large and small. They were like $4.99 a pack. So I could have got by with just, you know, doing it in the all caps, but we went ahead and bought both. So it was about $10 and I had everything else. No, the command strips. I did have to buy those, but I would have had to buy those anyway if I would have bought it off Etsy, right? So anyway, we'll just say we were just out $10 for the sign because I had everything else. So cool. So you can do this yourself. So here we go. I'm going to hang it up. So I could kind of put it down low, but I don't think it goes well there. So I'm going to I want it lined up with the edge of my mirror. So right in here somewhere. Yeah, I think that looks good. Also could have put it at the top, but I thought down here at the bottom, it gives an overall rounded feeling to the whole area. So we're going to go ahead and stick with that. I'm going to go ahead and peel the back off here. There we go. These command strips are great for using to hang pictures. These are supposed to, one set is supposed to hold up to 4 pounds. We use these a lot in the RV. They really hold up well if you've not used them before. So I'm going to kind of get everything lined up here before I stick it to the wall. You don't have to use a level, you can eye it up, but sometimes if you're doing it by yourself, it's hard to get it exact. So I want to make sure it's kind of lined up end to end here. Go ahead and stick it to the wall here. Hold it for 30 seconds. Originally, I was thinking about having Tony route this out with his router, but he's busy doing other projects right now, and I don't know. I think it looks good with the stenciling, so I'm happy how it turned out. All right, there it is. There it is. Looks so cute. Love it. Nothing like being in the woods. So bringing a feeling to me. Tony's reaction to it.
No, it looks good.
No, it's cute.
I like it that it's not perfect, you know? That makes you know that you made it.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's definitely
perfect,
far
and
from
it's
perfect.
just something you buy in the store, you know?
Mm-hmm.
No one would ever know. Matter of fact, actually, if you sand over it, it would knock the white, that, you know what I mean?
Yeah, give it
And then
that
clear
washed look.
That wash look.
It has it just a tiny bit.
We might try that one time someday.
I
And see
don't
if we
know.
can't get that
Kind of
wash.
like it.
Oh, I know that,
like
but I'm
that,
just to see if we can get the wash look by doing.